Hey, George here again. I am back with Courtney, who oversees studio, and I noticed we have a new dishwasher that's only 39 decibels. Courtney, can you show us some of the interior of this thing?
Absolutely. We are very excited. This, of course, is the flush fit design, so it seamlessly goes with the cabinetry, which is awesome. Like you said, 39 dBA. You also have hidden controls on the top. Again, another really premium look feature. So when we look at the bottom, the one thing for the studio, we have our new stay put holder. Obviously, you can hold the chopping, cutting board, anything square, and that keeps it right here, keeps it clicked in. When you get here to the second rack, we pick up the blast zone, is what we're calling it. This is excellent for bowls, bottles, different, cups that you have. Put that right there, and that's dedicated wash in that area.
Oh my goodness.
And
I mean, we have a lot of capacity in here. Can you show us why we have that capacity?
Yes, we have that capacity, so we have the flexibility of how you load your dishes as well. And then also too, in the third rack, we have the slide and glide like that, again, giving people more options to customize how they do their dishes.
Oh my goodness, so you mean I can put more or taller bottles in there?
Exactly.
Right?
Think about those Stanley cups if you want to do that, wine glasses even, and that's going to leave that room for there.
That is so cool. So we have more racking systems than we ever had before.
Yes.
We have foldable tines almost everywhere, and not to mention, we have the power of steam, right?
Exactly.
And a
Absolutely.
1 hour wash and dry cycle.
1 hour wash and dry. Yes.
I mean, that's really all you need in a dishwasher.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Courtney.
You're welcome.